大家好，我係 Grace， 歡迎收睇今日嘅澳洲社區快訊。我會為大家帶嚟最新、最貼地嘅澳洲社區資訊，同你一齊緊貼本地動態，掌握第一手消息。適逢農曆新年呢一個華人社會重要嘅傳統佳節，悉尼唐人街日前熱鬧非凡。自由黨新南威爾士州領袖 Kelly Sloan MP 率領多位黨員及社區代表親臨現場，舉辦咗一場溫馨熱鬧嘅新春慶祝活動，同廣大市民共同迎接馬年嘅到來。活動當日，唐人街洋溢住濃厚嘅節日氛圍。Kelly Sloan MP 喺慶祝活動開始前特別表示
Gong He Fat Choi, Singing Chao Le. My apologies for the pronunciation, but all my very best for Lunar New Year. From the Liberal Party and National Party in New South Wales, we wish you a year of prosperity, a wonderful year of growth with the year of the horse, the fire horse, which is a very auspicious year. And also a big thank you. We really appreciate what the Chinese Australian community does since the foundations of our country, since before the gold rush to modern day New South Wales and Australia. We are grateful for your contribution and we are so happy to be part of these special celebrations today. So thank you.
隨後，自由黨成員穿梭於人群中，向沿途民眾派發象徵好運嘅新春利是及賀年糖果，親切咁送上新年祝福。喺呢個充滿期待同喜悅嘅時刻，自由黨唔單止向市民傳遞咗新年嘅希望，更表達咗喺新嘅一年中同大家攜手並進，共創美好繁榮未來嘅決心。呢一場活動喺充滿對未來嘅期盼中圓滿結束，為新春佳節增添咗一份溫暖嘅力量。